Everyone, today I am back with another YouTube video, you guys. Today I'm going to do a hack, and that's going to be Polygel adding acrylic paint with it to change the color, you guys. This is just something I wanted to try because I never thought it would actually work, so I just wanted to try it because I didn't have different color polygel. So today we're going to be trying that and also gluing a nail tip to my nail. So I'm only going to be doing 2 fingers today. Just want to show you guys how it came out, and we're going to see how it worked, you guys. So we're going to see if it worked together and see how it come out. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, don't know if it's gonna actually come out good or whatnot. So right now, as you see, I'm actually cleaning up my cuticle with the nail file. So I'm not gonna use the electric nail file drill, so I'm just gonna use that, just clean it up real good, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the nail tips to my nail now. Okay, just make sure that it actually fit the nail. You want to make sure that it actually fit the nail and it's not too small. So that's exactly what I'm checking. And we'll go ahead and glue those on now. Okay. Go ahead and do the next nail right now. Excuse the other nails, you guys. Don't come for me for that, okay? Just letting you guys know. I'm only doing 2 nails right now, 2 of my fingers, okay? Because I just wanted to show you guys how it go and how it's going to turn out so we can experience it together. So, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on as well. I'm cleaning all this stuff out of the way, cut my nails down to where I desire wanting it. And I'm going to go ahead and file it to the shape that I want it to be, so it could already be the way that I want. Of course, I have to file after as well, but I just like to file it the way I want it first. Okay, you guys. Now I'm getting ready to use the base coat gel, and I'm just showing you guys that I have the polygel right here, which one of them is actually a misty pink and then rose, and the next one is clear. And the polish, sorry you guys, the acrylic that I'm going to actually be using, the acrylic paint, will be the Diva Pink and also the Christmas green color. So in the next screen, I'll actually show you guys how the base coat and the top base coat look, and they both are together in the picture. So I'm going to apply that to the nail first, and I'm going to let that dry, cure into the UV light. Okay, you guys, so now that I did that, I'm getting ready to take out the brush that I use, the polygel brush that I use. It's a brush on one end and is a picker on the other end. So just cleaning off this because I did the first one with the Diva Pink acrylic paint that I mixed together with the polygel, which the first one was the clear polygel that I opened up and mixed it with the Diva Pink paint acrylic. I'm just gonna place that on there and basically mold it into the shape that I want with the nail tip, as you see I'm doing. And in the dapping dish that you see I'm dapping the brush in, that is actually alcohol that I am using. It's 70% alcohol that I'll be using to actually mold it together. So I'm just cleaning it up and just molding it all around the way I want before I actually put it underneath the UV light before it cures. Okay, so I'm gonna let it cure. Right after this. And you guys, I filed it and it looks good. It came out good. I'm excited. It came out good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Misty Rose, and I'm gonna use the Christmas Green acrylic paint. So I mixed that together and I actually did the same thing that I did with the pink one. As you guys can see, it came out pretty good. So now I'm just filing the nail, and yes, you guys, I really didn't think this was gonna work, you guys, because at first it looked like it wasn't curing, and I had to keep putting it back under. So you guys, it came out really good. It cured good, no problems, no issues. I'm stunned. I'm stunned. So now I know I can just buy different colors. These acrylic paint, you can actually buy them at Walmart or Amazon. And you can pick up a few if you know don't have different polygel at home. You know, if you just want to do your own nails, you want a different colors or something, you know, you can mix that with the polygel. And in one of my videos, I actually showed when I first did polygel that where you can buy it and the different color you can do. So this one I just wanted to see. This was a hack. I just wanted to see, you know, would it work? And it actually worked, because I didn't think it would actually cure, because it was acrylic paint mixed with a polygel. All right, so now I'm getting ready to do a little bling bling on all of the nails. Well, not all the nails, sorry you guys, but 2 of the nails that I actually did. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm getting ready to do now. And you guys, thank you so much for watching, and welcome to each and every one of you that are new to my channel. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated to every video that I'll be posting on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So I definitely will be back on tomorrow with another video, you guys. And thank you, each and every one of you guys that are supporting me as well, you guys. Thank you for watching, so forth. And I will see each and every one of you tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Bye.